आज मैं लाई हूँ यूनिट नंबर 6 एक स्टोरी है द बर्ड एंड द एलिफेंट जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत मैसेज देने वाला है आप सबको। और ये जो है ना बलूचिस्तान बोर्ड के यूनिट नंबर 6 है इंग्लिश। चिक्स का मतलब होता है चूजे, प्रिकली हीट का मतलब होता है सख्त गर्मी, स्क्रेच नोचना, स्वे झूलना, नॉनसेंस बेमानी, स्क्रीम चीखना। सेंसेशन एहसास, इच खुजली करना, लीन अगेंस्ट लगा देना या के साथ रख देना, क्रैक कुड़कुड़ाहट। और शेक का मतलब होता है हिलाना, फ्लैप का चरचराहट की आवाज। और रब का मतलब होता है रगड़ना, इरिटेट का तंग करना, टिकल का गुदगुदी होना। अब आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पे। How many birds lived in the nest? The mother bird with her three little chicks were living in the nest. यानी कि 4 birds रहते थे. Why did the elephant feel hot? The elephant feel hot because he had walked a long way and he was feeling hot and tired. क्योंकि जो है ना वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा छला था. So that's why he was feeling very hot and the weather was also hot and he got tired. Why were the little birds frightened? और जो छोटे परिंदे थे वो क्यों जो है ना डर गए थे? The little birds frightened because the elephant leaned against the tree and began scratching his back. जाहिर बात है उसका जो वो गरम भी हुआ था एलिफेंट उसके जो क्या कहते हैं उसको इच्ची फील हो रहा था सो उसने क्या किया दरख्त पे नोचना वगैरह शुरू कर दिया. The tree started to creak and to move to and fro. अब जो ट्री थी वो जो है ना आगे पीछे हो रहा था और जो नेस्ट ऊपर थी सो जाहिर बात है उनमें चूजे भी थे वो उड़ भी नहीं सकते थे सो they were that's why they were frightened. The swaying of the tree frightened the little bird. ठीक है. अब आ जाते हैं what made the elephant stop dead in his tracks. The mother bird sorry not the mother's bird the mother bird flew into one of her ear of the elephant's ear. She tickled it with her feet which made elephant stop dead in his tracks. और जो मदर बर्ड थी वो जो है ना चली गई एलिफेंट के कान पे और वो जो है ना थोड़ी सी टिकल करने लगे जो कि एलिफेंट को जो है ना अब उसने जो है क्या कहते हैं अपने आप को लीन करना और अपने आप को जो है ना दरख्त पे he was trying to get away of the itchy or something like but उसने जो है ना अपना रास्ता जुदा कर लिया. Why did the bird leave the elephant ear? बर्ड ने जो है ना एलिफेंट के कान को क्यों छोड़ दिया? The bird leave the or left the elephant's ear because the elephant promised that he would never again scratch his back against the tree. क्योंकि इसने प्रॉमिस किया कि मैं आइंदा जो है ना दरख्त के पास जो है ना कभी भी स्क्रैच नहीं करूंगा. The bird flew out of the elephant's ear and went back to her nest. She never saw that elephant again. ठीक है जाहिर बात है तो फिर चले गए उसने प्रॉमिस कर दिया. और इन्हीं 3 लाइनों को आप लोगों ने याद करने हैं उनके जो आंसर्स है इतने ही लिखने टू द पॉइंट लिखना है ज्यादा आगे लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. The bird and the elephant. Choose the correct option. The little birds drew close to their mother because they felt insecure. Number 2. The mother bird flew into one of the elephant's ear to teach him a lesson. The elephant begged the mother bird to leave him alone because he could not defend himself. He never saw that elephant again because he learned a good lesson. I hope कि आपको जो है ना ये the expression to and from means backwards and forwards जो दरख्त आगे पीछे हो रहा था और परिंदे डर रहे थे. आई होप कि आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर और ये जो है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर समझ में आ गया होगा. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द कॉलम है कॉलम बी. क्राइड इन पैनिक का मतलब होता है क्राइड ड्यू टू फियर और पैन. लीन्ड का मतलब होता है टू रिलीव और सपोर्ट. इरिटेटिंग का मतलब होता है अनॉयंस अनॉयिंग फीलिंग्स. प्रिकली हीट का मतलब होता है एक्सट्रीम हीट बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी. स्टॉप डेड का मतलब होता है विदाउट एनी मूवमेंट. What is the main theme of the story? Main theme क्या है story का? The main theme is that we should be kind and sympathetic to the other smaller living beings as well. If Allah has given us power, so we should utilize it in a good way, not to harm others. ठीक है? Change the following sentences into indirect speech. He said, my master is writing letters. Indirect हो सकता है. He said that his master was writing letters. Ali said, I'm happy. Ali said that he was happy. ये एक tense पीछे जा रहा होता है. ये चीज आप लोग याद रखें. She said, I have passed the examination. She said that she had passed the examination. Abdullah said, I bought a new pen. Abdullah said that he had bought a new pen. You said you played football. You said that you had played football. Shazia said to her mother, you didn't buy new shoes for me. Shazia said to her mother that she had not bought new shoes for her. I said to him, you are not sincere to me. I said to him that he is not sincere to me. They said to us, we helped you in solving your problems. They said to us that they had helped us in solving problems. Mother said to her son, it is raining outside. Mother said to her son that it was raining outside. Mustafa said to his brother, we shall go for picnic on Sunday. Mustafa said to his brother that they should go for picnic on Sunday. याद रखिएगा we they में तब्दील हो जाएगा shall should पे. I hope कि आपको ये भी समझ में आ गया होगा. Change the narration of the following sentences by following the rules of changing the narration of questions, order, request, anything. Okay? He asked me what was my name. Only answer मैंने दिया है. ठीक है? He asked me what was my name. Abdullah asked me how old was I. He requested me to give him a book. The teacher ordered his students to show her their notebooks. She asked if I will help her. Sana asked me when had I arrived to Quetta. The teacher asked Saad that why was he absent. The gardener requested not to pluck the flowers. अब आ जाते हैं change the narration of the following sentences. Ali said that he was sick. The teacher said that they were his students. She said that it was raining. Father said to me that my English is good. She said that Hina was a good student. The judge ordered to call the first witness. Shazia requested Saira to help her. The policeman asked where were we going. I hope कि आपको ये भी पसंद आ गया होगा. So please सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. Read the following extract and identify the relative pronoun. इसमें जो है ना relative pronoun कौन कौन सी है मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ. The following day which. अब ये जो which है ये जो है ना क्या है आपका relative pronoun है. Was cloudy and rainy. Unfortunately we went to museum where. Where भी जो है ना relative pronoun है. They have some dinosaur skeletons that local people have found in the area. The horrible weather never improved all day, so we visited a superb seafood restaurant later in the afternoon and had an early dinner. The waiters who जो है ना relative pronoun है और जो है ना sorry ये जो that है ये भी जो है ना relative pronoun है. Seafood restaurant later in the afternoon and had an early dinner. The waiters who को मैंने बता दिया all dressed in traditional fisherman's clothes were very friendly and told us about the history of the restaurant whose भी जो है relative pronoun है. Name was Moon Restaurant. ठीक है? I hope कि आपको पसंद आ गया होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो समझ में आ गया है या पसंद आ गया है so please